Hello, welcome back and welcome to somewhere it's always lovely to be, Jaguar Land Rover Classic Works. And the reason that we are here is because Randy, my 2013 Land Rover Defender, is done. Let's go through this because they put together a couple of really nice changes to the car for me that are going to really help in firing our kit around the UK. So brand new LED headlights rather than the candles that were on it before, and a lovely new grille as well. They've had a look under on the engine side. That's all way more neat and tidy and sorted out. The steering box, which was basically not connected to the rest of the steering arm that connected it, has been replaced as well. Brand new BF Goodrich tyres for all of the off-roading that we're going to be doing, with the Wolf steely rims to go with it. Then inside, the lovely new seats that are going to be super comfy driving around the UK. Our gear knob no longer has the big stress hole in, which it had from whoever had been picking away at that. The war with the immobiliser and the radio system has been won, and we are victorious. We now have a car phone as well on the back of the dashboard. Brilliant stuff. And so all of our gear is getting ready to go in the back of this. It's going to go back to London after testing tomorrow. We're going to pick up all of the gear for the race weekend for the historic festival, fire it in the back of Randy, and this truck will do exactly what it's intended to do for Brundle Motorsport. So I'm really delighted about that.